Hi, I'm Brian Douglas. I'm here at our cell culture media facility here in Pasching, Austria for our first ever Cell Culture Capability Days. We're excited to have customers here from across Europe and a few from the United States engaging with us as we show them off our new facility and some of our new equipment that we think is first class in our industry. Customers have come to us with a lot of interesting questions over the course of the morning so far. Questions such as how do we ensure consistency in our global cell culture media formulations? How do we manage our global liquid capacity across our different sites? How do we ensure stability with our different cell culture media formulations and things like transit? And interestingly enough, they're asking questions around our philosophy on security supply, how do we manage risk, and what our intent is with implementation of digital tools to help improve their outcomes. I want to give a quick thank you to Vicki Thompson and her team for having the great idea of setting up our first ever Cell Culture Capability Days, trying to mimic some of the successes that we've had in Uppsala with some of the customer events they've had there. Also want to thank Daniela Katarzinski for her help and her team's help in getting the site prepared for customers today, but also for the immense amount of work that they've done over the past couple of years, getting the site to where it is today, making it first class in our industry.